Amphora refers to the shape of this vessel where it's pointed at the bottom and it has the two arms. We have come across this exquisite collection of teeny tiny lampwork amphora, each one with a little glass stopper. Isn't that exquisite? Really beautiful details in these, in the lampwork. Some of them featuring dichroic glass. They're very petite. They're about a 1/2 inch wide. Oop, I just threw the stopper. So let's talk about these stoppers. As you can see, they're only held in by gravity, and gravity's grasp on them is tenuous. What I'm going to do on mine when I finish my necklace, I'm actually going to glue the stopper in place. I'm just going to put a little teeny bit of E6000 and put it right there. But first, I think I will put something inside of here. I'm not sure yet what. I don't know if I want to put a teeny tiny like scroll of paper, or if I just want to put a wish or a hope or a dream or something inside. But I will put something inside of my teeny tiny amphora, and then I will seal it up, because when you're wearing this as a necklace, you will definitely lose the stopper as soon as you move any way whatsoever. I just think the stoppers are really, really cute, even though they're not in any way practical. But anyway, back to the size. They're about a 1/2 inch right here at like the widest part of the bottle, and about 1 inch wide up where the handles are. And let's grab a ruler. Yeah, they're about 1.5 inches tall, including the stopper. So very petite,